How to auto-recover in Excel without losing your calm. Puzzle 1. If a page vanishes but memory leaves a footprint, what can you still follow? Puzzle 2. If one copy sleeps and another writes in real time, which one saves your heart first? Lost Excel work feels like a small breakup, sharp and unfair. In April 2026, AutoRecover is still on by default in most Microsoft 365 setups, usually at 10 minutes, while AutoSave works live only for files stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. Think of AutoRecover as a timed promise and AutoSave as a steady sync, with version history as the sweetest safety net of all, so which one are you trusting today? Set up AutoRecover so Excel remembers what you forget. Puzzle 1. If you hide a spare key before the storm, did you lose the house? Puzzle 2. If a loop repeats every minute, when does fear get smaller? Open Excel, go to File greater than Options greater than Save, then look for two boxes that matter. Save AutoRecover information every and keep the last auto-recovered version if I close without saving. Leave both checked. For small workbooks, set the timer to 1 minute if you want tighter protection. For larger files, 5 minutes is often kinder because a shorter loop can slow things down. The default in Microsoft 365 remains 10 minutes, but many people shorten it for peace of mind. On Windows, the usual recovery path is %appdata%\Microsoft\Excel/. On Mac, confirm the AutoRecover location in Settings, and also watch the AutoSave toggle for cloud files. Set it once, love it later, says $SlimRichJR147. And save to OneDrive if you want the file to return your feelings, replies $DiligentTech001. For the article image, use one sharp screenshot at 1,600 pixels wide, cropped cleanly with the save settings visible for better search clarity and easy reading, so have you checked those two boxes yet? Find an unsaved Excel file and restore the right version. Fast Puzzle 1. If 3 doors open after a crash, which one shows the newest date? Puzzle 2. If a file returns but not in full, where does its earlier self wait? After Excel crashes, reopen it first and look for the Document Recovery pane on the left. If it appears, open the newest file by date and time, then use Save As right away. If nothing shows, go to File greater than, Open greater than Recover Unsaved Workbooks and search there. Pick the latest version, open it, and save it with a fresh name. For files already saved to OneDrive or SharePoint, go to File greater than Info greater than Version History. In Microsoft 365, as of April 2026, AutoSave and Version History work closely together, which means a saved cloud file can often return to a cleaner point in the timeline. If no file appears, AutoRecover may have been off. If the wrong version appears, check Version History next. If huge files lag, return to a 5-minute interval. Think of it like Python, says $SlimRichJR147. You crash, reopen, and return the best state. Diligent TECH001 smiles. And when Cloud Sync is on, love leaves receipts. So when Excel stumbles, do you know your first recovery path? When work disappears, don't panic and don't close the story too soon. Turn on AutoRecover, save cloud files to OneDrive or SharePoint, keep AutoSave on, and check version history before you give up. That simple habit keeps your spreadsheets closer, like a quiet promise that knows how to return. So will you set your recovery options before the next surprise? Don't fail to like, subscribe, and share for more educative contents from Diligent ICT Solutions.